So this is the bricks factory here in Bangladesh. We're already near the border of India. Hello.
Philippines,
Hi.
New Zealand.
Hi. So this is where they're making the bricks.
Yes. You can go there.
Ah. This is the bricks factory. Hello, sir. Ah.
এই যে পুরানি মিশনটা আছে না এটা মোর
Thank you.
থ্যাংক ইউ
Thank you, sir.
উনার দেশে বিল্ডিং করতে খুব ভালো
Cows. And look at these cows.
Do you have this kind of animal?
Which one? The cows? Yeah, we had.
You
Ah,
have?
which one? Yeah,
This is cow.
yeah, we had. We have plenty. Like in New Zealand, more
No.
cows than people.
No brick field in your country?
Huh?
No
No,
brick-
there is. There
নাই
is.
নাই ওদের ওখানে নাই
Not much.
গরু নাই না না এই যে এগুলা নাই এগুলা দেখেনি এখন আমরা যাচ্ছি ওই যে বলে এর